Equity isn't luck, it's strategy, and you can start building it right away. Hi, I'm Jeffrey Hoffmann. Whether you just purchased your first home or you've owned for years, equity is the engine for long-term wealth. Today, I'll share 5 ways to build equity faster so your home works for you, not the other way around. Why equity matters. Equity is simply the difference between what your home's worth and what you owe. But the bigger picture is freedom, the ability to refinance, move up, or invest later. Building it faster shortens your path to financial flexibility. Every dollar toward equity is a dollar towards independence. So how do you actually grow it? Let's start with the basics. Make extra payments strategically. Even small additional payments go a long way. Add 1 extra principal payment each year or round up by $100 monthly. You'll cut years off your mortgage and save thousands in interest. Set it automatically with your lender so you don't have to think about it. Consistency beats intensity. Small, steady overpayments quietly build real wealth. Money isn't the only lever. Your home itself can do some heavy lifting. Upgrade smart, not big. Not every renovation pays off equally. Focus on updates that boost value. Kitchens, baths, and energy-efficient improvements top the list. Avoid over-personalization. Neutral design broadens appeal. Keep receipts and photos. They help when refinancing or selling. The right improvements pay you twice, in comfort now and resale later. But sometimes the biggest gains come from simply maintaining what you have. Protect your investment. Deferred maintenance is equity decay. Stay ahead on roof checks, HVAC servicing, and exterior upkeep. A well-maintained home appraises higher and attracts stronger offers. And remember insurance. Review your coverage annually so rising replacement costs don't catch you off guard. Maintenance isn't a cost, it's protection for your growing asset. Finally, let's look at how to use your equity wisely once you build it up. Put your equity to work. Equity gives you leverage, but leverage requires strategy. You can use it to fund improvements that raise value further, consolidate higher interest debt, or invest in additional property. Just make sure the return outweighs the risk. Meet with your lender or financial advisor before tapping equity, and keep a safety cushion. Equity should create options, not obligations. Use it intentionally. If you'd like to see how small changes can boost your home's equity faster, download my Equity Accelerator plan below. It walks through simple, proven steps to grow equity safely and sustainably. And if you're ready to explore what your current equity can do for you, let's connect. Subscribe for more ways to build smart, lasting wealth through homeownership.